In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Trello subscription. This process shouldn't take too long, and I'll walk you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. Whether you're looking to cut down on costs or simply aren't using Trello's premium features anymore, cancelling your subscription can be done easily through your Trello account settings. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Trello. Open your web browser and go to trello.com. Enter your login credentials and you should be taken to your Trello dashboard. If you have two-factor authentication set up, be sure to have your phone handy to complete the login process securely. Once you're logged in, you'll see your various boards and workspaces listed on the dashboard. Next, focus your attention on the left panel of the screen. Here, you'll need to select the workspace that currently has the active subscription you wish to cancel. It's important to choose the correct workspace as different subscriptions may be tied to different workspaces. Take a moment to verify that you have selected the right one by checking the details on the workspace's home screen. After selecting the correct workspace, locate the billing section. You might find this under a drop-down menu, so don't hesitate to click through a few options to find it. This section is specifically dedicated to subscription management, making it your go-to spot for any changes related to billing. Once in the billing section, you should see an option that says either cancel subscription or manage subscription. Click on this option. Sometimes Trello might ask you to confirm your identity again before proceeding, just to make sure it's really you making the changes. You might also see both options presented, so if you're primarily focused on cancelling, go directly for that link. The next step involves following the prompts to confirm your cancellation. This might include answering a few questions about why you're cancelling. Feel free to provide honest feedback as it helps Trello improve their services. Carefully follow each prompt as it's there to ensure that you're making an informed decision about ending your subscription. Finally, remember that cancelling a subscription affects any Trello Premium or Standard plans tied to that particular workspace. If your workspace is using the free version of Trello, there is no subscription to cancel, so these steps aren't necessary. Once the cancellation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation, which you should retain for your records. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled your Trello subscription. I hope this guide made the process straightforward for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, the Trello support team is always there to assist. Thanks for following along and we'll see you in the next tutorial.